VerbaHub 5, where language meets intelligence.
A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought, making clear and logical sense. It fundamentally includes a subject, which performs an action, and a verb, which describes the action or state. Grammatically, a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. Sentences are classified into four main types based on their communicative purpose. A declarative sentence states a fact or opinion, ending with a period. An interrogative sentence asks a question, always followed by a question mark. An imperative sentence gives a command, makes a request, or offers advice, often with an implied you subject. These sentences conclude with either a period or an exclamation mark, depending on the intended tone. An exclamatory sentence expresses strong emotions and always ends with an exclamation mark to convey intensity. A simple sentence consists of only one independent clause. This clause functions as a complete thought, containing a single subject and predicate. For example, "She is sleeping" perfectly illustrates this fundamental grammatical structure. A compound sentence consists of two or more independent clauses. These clauses are typically joined by coordinating conjunctions like for, and, nor, but, or, yet, or, so. Alternatively, a semicolon can effectively connect these independent clauses. A complex sentence contains one independent clause and at least one dependent clause. Dependent clauses cannot stand alone and are linked by subordinating conjunctions or relative pronouns. A compound complex sentence combines two or more independent clauses with at least one dependent clause.
Dear students, to test your understanding, click the link in the description and attempt the quiz. Good luck!